I'm making a chicken Paillard with arugula and apple. What I've done first, I have 2 beautiful chicken breasts pounded. Make sure they're the exact same size so they cook the same. On the side, I have fortified butter. What does that mean? It's butter, clarified butter, which is butter that's been brought to a boil and skimmed of its solids, milk solids, and a little bit of olive oil. And I'm just frying the rosemary in this just to give it another level of flavor. Now, I'm not gonna fry it hot. I want this really just to warm now.
I'm smelling garlic on the nose here. You got some in there?
Little garlic in there. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do our bread. We're gonna stand at
Feb station.
Feb station, flour, egg, bread, but in place of the bread is almond flour. To the almond flour, I'm adding, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt. Boom. Done. So we're gonna take a fork and just spread it around.
You can use any of the alternative flours, right?
Of course you can. Brown rice flour.
Brown rice flour, gluten-free chickpea,
tapioca flour. Salt and pepper, both sides from above, so you can see this, the distribution.
Right.
Equal distribution. Okay, it's done. Boom, take that out. I put that over there. I take the garlic out. I put that over there. We crank it up a bit, so we're gonna get ready to fry. Before we fry, we're gonna show you how to make it. So I use this so you don't have to touch it. 1, 2. Shake it off into the egg. This is just egg, little water.
So underrated, egg and water.
That's it.
Make it fluffy.
Take that off into this. Press it down a bit. You want to get some of that. You want to get it.
Oh, beautiful cottage.
Yeah, it's good cottage here.
What if you're totally, you know, like say you're celiac or zero carb or zero gluten? What can you?
Gluten-free flour.
Gluten-free for the dredge, right?
Absolutely.
The first dredge.
So I'm ready to go in with my first one. Again, great tip. Always away from you.
As you're putting it down, do you not feel that it's either gonna stick or it's not? You can feel it right at that moment when it's...
This should not stick. Okay.
I love the clarified butter usage too, because you bring up the smoke point a little bit. You can hit it a little hard, and then you got the oil, which even fortifies it more.
I grew up on clarified butter cooking. This is what we use in every kitchen in France and Italy. It's just what you use. Plus, the flavor is like off the chart. So I have a little rack set up here. I have my little rosemary here. If you want, you can throw it back in. Why don't we do that?
A little rosemary.
Okay, and we're just gonna let it hang out here. And it's gonna create its own crust. The biggest mistake people make is they just, too fast, just let it go, it's fine. If it's a 1 minute overcooked, it's not gonna be the end of the world, okay?
You're frying it.
They're frying.
You see how mellow the fry is? It's just hot enough, but it's not...
It's gotta be hot because you don't want it to get greasy. But it can't be too hot or it'll brown and cook and stick and get brown too fast and it won't cook inside.
We don't want that. We don't want it.
We're gonna flip this over here.
Oh, dude.
It should be firm. A minute, it'll be done in a minute. Now, at this point in time, I have a dual dressing. So what I have in this dish needs a cream somewhere. So I'm taking sour cream and water, some poppy seeds.
Ooh, classic.
Some honey.
Like 80s style dressing, poppy seed.
Some honey.
Remember poppy seed? You get that lemon poppy seed.
A little bit of Forum Chardonnay, my favorite vinegar in the world.
What was that? What kind of
Forum Chardonnay.
Forum Chardonnay.
Forum. I'm gonna make a little hangout sauce for the lettuce. You'll see in a minute. So we're just gonna put that over there.
Could we use a white wine vinegar?
Yes.
Okay.
That's a Chardonnay vinegar made with 70% Chardonnay grapes and 30% verjus, right? Just grape juice. Put it here. Put it on a rack always because we want that residual oil to go away. Take that off the fire. Shut the fire off. And now we're gonna build our salad. So I'm just making a simple salad. I already have the vinegar, the acid here. A little oil, salt, some pepper, which is I love. And we're gonna toss this first.
What a great pairing, too, classic, with any type of Paillard or Milanese, the arugula.
And some fresh apples.
Wow, brings a little sweetness to the party. Love it.
Like that?
I can't believe you left the skin on your apple.
Oh, always.
This is such a casual dinner for you.
Put that.
Petite Paillard.
Nothing about that is heavy, it's crispy. Just look at it, you want to eat this. And so what I like to do is dress the salad right at the last minute.
Changing it up.
I was gonna put it on top, but I think it's so pretty. I don't wanna, like, mess it up. Oh, yes. And this is your beautiful spiced almond crusted chicken Paillard with a little bit of apple. Okay.
Look at that.
Then we take our poppy seed sour cream vinegar cream and just drizzle it on the top here.
Yeah, whoever requested this is gonna be happy.
Bon appetit. It's time to eat.
I feel like this is really something you eat on the regular for dinner.
I do. I'm gonna take this. I want to show you this chicken piece here.
No.
So if you can see the chicken is steaming, the crust is staying right on here.
Juicy.
I'm gonna dip a little in this here and get a little salad on my way out. Wow. The almond, the spice, the creaminess of the sour cream and the honey and the apple is just so springy and light, and you feel really good eating this.